Okay, friends, so we're down here on the table. Today we're going to make this cute little tassel keychain, adding in our cute little mini buttons here from Dress It Up, and then some of these mini micro red hearts. We'll also need some red artistic wire, some pliers, and I have 10 pieces of scrap ribbon at about 10 inches each. You can use your own ribbon and cut them up. And then I also have the strawberry rhubarb mini mix from Jessie James that I'll be using to make our tassel keychain today. So let's get started. You're going to take your ribbon and line it all up, and we'll beautify it after we put it all together. So it doesn't have to be perfect right now. You just want to try and line it up and gather it up as best you can. Okay. Then you're going to take your artistic wire, and I like to, in the very beginning, do a little loop to turn it in so things don't get caught on it. Okay. And that's going to be our beginning spot there. And I'm just going to wrap it around the ribbon to hold it in place. You can slide it up a little before you make it too tight. Get it exactly where you want. Use the pliers. It's about 22 gauge, I think, or 20 gauge, so it's pretty malleable. Wrap it around several times. Hold your tassel, and then you're going to start beading using the strawberry rhubarb mix from Jessie James. And there's a combination of some beautiful reds and golds beads in here. And we're just going to put enough on to wrap around the tassel. And then these micro mini hearts also fit in really well and make good spacer beads. It won't be a whole lot that you're going to put on, just enough to go around the tassel. And then you use the wire kind of as your needle here. Any combination you want works. And then looks like I can put about one more bead in there. I love these sparkly gold with the rhinestones in them. All right, so you get all your beads on, do another wrap. Okay, and now we're gonna add in our mini here. So make sure that when you add her on, she's facing upright. And then you can do another wrap around your tassel, and then to try and keep her in place, you can wrap around the shank. This once would be fine. And then you can just trim off your wire here. I'm trimming off up here so I can do the same thing I did at the beginning. Just make a little loop at the end so it doesn't poke anybody. And then take your keychain and you put it through the tassel, and that'll help hold all your ribbon in there. And voila, you have a Minnie Mouse tassel keychain. Have a great day.